In this tutorial, we focus on how to create a scatterplot chart. A scatterplot chart uses dots to represent values for two different numeric variables. Here, we have the independent variable advertisement spent and the dependent variable new customer. The position of each dot on the horizontal and the vertical axis indicates values for an individual data point. Scatterplot charts are used to observe relationships between variables. The example scatterplot chart shows the money spent on advertisement in a given month and the number of new customers for a sample of fictional advertisement campaigns. Each dot represents a single month. Each point's horizontal position indicates that month's number of new customers, and the vertical position indicates that month's amount of money spent on ads. From the plot, we can see a generally tight positive correlation between the money spent and the number of new customers. We can also observe an outlier point, a month that has a much smaller number of new customers than the others. This month appears to have a higher number of money spent for its number of new customers, which might warrant further investigation. Let's have a look at the data table. In column B, we have the month. In column C, we have the dependent variables new customer. These are the numbers of new customers we reached in each month. In column D, we have the independent variable advertisement. This is the amount of money we spent each month on advertisement. You don't have to place the independent variable to the right of the dependent variable, but it makes things easier, as you can see next. Highlight the cells containing the numbers. Then go to Insert, go across to Charts, and here click the icon with the scatter symbol. It is worth mentioning here that people would prefer to see the dependent variable number of new customers on the horizontal or x-axis, and the independent variable advertisement on the vertical or y-axis. Scatterplot charts are the most common method for showing regression or correlation. The typical scatterplot can be enhanced with careful attention to the chart elements and additional explanatory text. Finally, moderately data-friendly audiences will respond better to a title that states the relationship you are seeking to show. In other words, how this thing changes when that thing does. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates when new videos come out.